intention versus imagination, the power of intention versus the power of imagination. A lot of times people have told me, a lot of followers I have, and people have mailed me, or in the Facebook groups I'm part of, they have told me, oh, I intended to do something else completely different, but somehow this thing got manifested, or my intention was totally different. I wanted that person to love me back, or I wanted to get their job. I did not want them to block me, or I did not want them to hate me. What was your intention and what actually got impressed on your subconscious mind are two different things. And that is what we are going to dive deeper into this video. My name is Rohit and welcome to Reawaken Imagination. And here we talk about manifesting, and I've been studying manifesting, law of attraction, and things like that for years now. And my goal with this channel is to really help people understand the power of their imagination and expand their awareness. And if you haven't, liked this channel and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. So when it comes to the power of imagination, I will give you a very simple example with me. This is what happened with me. So I was trying to help this person and my intention was very good. I wanted to help them, and I think they had anger management issues. So I was sending them meditation audios, and they sometimes ask me, how do you stay so calm? How do you don't get angry and frustrated? I'm like, I do get angry and frustrated. It is not that I never get that. I never have experienced those emotions, but I've learned how to manage them through meditation, through breath work. You can do different kind of state management techniques. You can use NLP if you want to, but you can use techniques to really help you calm down and feel those emotions, but not react through them. Right. And I tried to explain to them and they did not understand it. And so my intention was to help them. And that was my intention. And I also sent them meditation audios, videos. But what ended up happening, eventually we had a huge argument, a big falling out, and it completely backfired. Then what happened? And that person is no more part of my life, but that person left. And part of it was my fault, and totally accepted that I created that situation. But my intention was not to hurt their feelings. My intention was completely different. That is what happens when it comes to love, money, or health. A lot of times our intention is completely different. Our intention is we want to create this, or we want to help this person, or we want some love, we want some affection, money, recognition, whatever we want. That is our intention. But our results are completely different, because what we are impressing in our imagination is completely different. For this specific example, if I'm impressing in your subconscious mind that this person always has anger problems, or this person is always angry, or is always rude, or is always mean, or whatever, I am actually creating that, impressing that in my subconscious mind, even though my intention is good. And I'm like, I want to help this angry person because they're always angry. And when I'm going to bed, or when I'm in a relaxed situation and I'm thinking, why is this person always angry? I should help them. What I'm impressing is this person is always angry. This person is always angry. This person is always rude. This person is always frustrated or angry or upset or is mean. So even though my intention is very good, I want to help that person, but what am I actually impressing in my subconscious mind? What is it that I'm impressing in my imagination? In my imagination, I'm impressing that this person is mean, this person is angry, this person is rude, and this person is upset. So that is what is actually getting created in my 3D reality. That is what is actually getting, everything is already created. So you can say, when I've used this word created, I mean it's kind of manifested in a 3D reality. This is what I mean by that. So this is what is actually manifested in your 3D reality. And then a lot of people wonder, I'm like, why did this thing happen, right? A lot of women complain about, even some men, that my partner is so rude or is mean to me, or they have this weird habit, or they do this thing that irritates me, and they think about it again and again, especially when they go to bed, or especially when they're relaxing with their friends, or they're having a couple of drinks or something, and they talk about these topics. That is when your subconscious mind is the most susceptible, and you let it impress, and you impress this thing about this person. And these qualities, all the negative qualities that you don't want, you actually talk about it, you actually cement it in your 3D reality, and that is actually what is manifested in your 3D reality. You cement it in your subconscious mind, and it is manifested in your 3D reality. So that's where intention and imagination are completely different. They can be aligned. You can have an intention and you can imagine, and when that alignment happens, that is where the true magic happens. That is where the true power of imagination comes to life. But you can be a person who has insanely good intention but terrible, imagination, or you are even not consciously. A lot of people are not doing it consciously. I'm not blaming them that they're doing it always. This is not about judging or blaming them. This is telling them that this is what I had done in the past, and sometimes I falter and I do it again. I have to catch myself and I have to see whether am I actually giving this person a chance, whether am I actually imagining good things about them, good qualities in them. What is it that am I imagining? What it is that I am visualizing? So that is what's important. Intention, even though your intention is good, but what you're impressing in your subconscious mind is completely different, you will get completely different results. And that is what you need to be really careful of. And power of intention does have its benefit, but intention alone is not going to get you the results that you desire. Intention alone is not going to change your reality. If you want to change your reality, go within, go to the power of imagination, give that gift to yourself, give that gift of power of imagination to yourself. Imagine the end, live in the end as if your desire has already come true. And from that place, you will be able to create great things in your life. That's all I wanted to share. Please like and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. A lot of people have told me that they really like my short videos, and I will keep continuing doing more of them. And some of them have asked me to put in a little bit of more detail into my videos, because in the shorts, I'm not able to convey a lot more information. So I'm making a mixture of both. Please tell me which ones you like more. I will do more of it. And I wish you great success in your manifesting journey. And do put it in the comment section if you have experienced this, where your intention was completely different and you manifested something which was totally different, or something happened in your life which was totally different. Please post them in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts. And until then, I wish you great success with your manifesting journey. Take care.